Why is my air conditioner freezing up? Your air conditioner is freezing up most likely because of restricted airflow or low refrigerant, and both of these cause the indoor coil to get too cold and ice over instead of cooling your home properly. Think of your air conditioner like a straw. Air needs to flow smoothly across the cold coil inside your indoor unit so it can absorb heat from your house. When something blocks that airflow, like a dirty air filter or closed vents, the coil gets way too cold and moisture in the air starts to freeze on it, just like frost forming on a popsicle left out too long. Once that ice builds up, it blocks even more airflow, and the problem gets worse and worse in a cycle. A less-known fact is that low refrigerant does something similar, since the refrigerant pressure inside the coil drops so low that the coil temperature falls below freezing, even though the air around your house feels warm. Many homeowners do not realize that running your system on a very hot day with a dirty filter is one of the fastest ways to trigger this freezing problem. The fix almost always starts with turning the unit off completely and letting the ice melt fully before checking the filter or calling for help. One common mistake is running the air conditioner constantly while it is frozen, thinking it will push through the ice, when really this strains the compressor and can cause expensive damage, so always shut it off and let it thaw first. Another misconception is that freezing means your system needs more refrigerant right away, but sometimes it is simply a dirty filter or blocked vents, so always check and replace your filter before assuming it is a refrigerant leak. People also forget that closed or blocked vents in unused rooms restrict airflow just as much as a dirty filter, so keep at least most vents open throughout your home. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app called Job Bid Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.